As the weather is slowly turning and it's getting a lot cooler, sometimes you just crave something a little bit more hearty, something a little bit more filling and warm. So today I'm going to show you how to make jambalaya. I actually found this recipe online around 10 years ago, back when the internet wasn't all that of a big thing. That kind of sounds weird to say right now. So I don't know exactly where I found this recipe, or I would link it for you guys. I will link the measurements down in the description if you're interested in making it. So just thought I'd throw that in there. First off, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil and saute your vegetables, your celery, your onion, your bell peppers, and your jalapeno and garlic until everything is translucent. It'll take around 6 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Once your vegetables are translucent, add in the rest of the oil and add in your chicken that's been cut to bite-sized pieces and your sausage. Make sure it's good quality sausage because the sausage gives it so much flavor. So just throw that out there. So make sure the sausage is cut up and it's good quality. And you want to cook that also until it is almost all the way cooked through. Once your chicken is almost all the way cooked through, you want to rinse your rice. Some people probably don't know this, but make sure you rinse your rice. You don't know where it's been. So rinse your rice, and then you want to add in your chicken stock. I'm actually using water that has chicken bouillon. I just mixed it up until it was all combined, and I added that in. So add in your chicken stock or your chicken bouillon, your crushed tomatoes, your rice that you did wash, and then you want to add in your Cajun seasoning, your bay leaf, and your thyme. Give everything a really good stir until it is combined, and you want to reduce your heat to medium-low, cover it and simmer it for 25 to 30 minutes or until your rice is fully cooked through. And make sure you're scraping it or stirring it occasionally, even the bottom, so nothing burns on the bottom. Your house should start smelling delectable, delicious, and just incredible. This jambalaya is so delicious and filling. And listen, you can buy that pre-made jambalaya stuff at the store, but this is so much better, or at least I think it is, in flavor, and it's actually not that hard to make. So I think you guys would really like it if you do make it. So this is what it looked like after 30 minutes. As you can see, the rice absorbed the liquid. It's super thick. So all I did next was give it a stir again because you don't want anything to burn. I added my shrimp, and funny story, I'm going to add my okra. But remember, I'm a California native and I've never cooked with okra, and I'm also Romanian. So this was a whole new territory. I accidentally cut my okra wrong. I cut it lengthwise, and you're just supposed to cut it in, like, round strips, circle. Does that make sense? Anyways, I'm not going to try to justify it. I messed up. I didn't realize that until way later. So yeah, I kind of messed up over there, but it's okay. It still turned out delicious. I took out my bay leaf, and then I added salt and pepper. I added more Cajun seasoning. Just make sure it is seasoned to perfection to your taste buds. I didn't want to make mine too spicy because I wanted my little guy to eat some. And yeah, that's why I didn't make it too spicy. Give everything a good stir. Make sure everything is cooked through. I really like this jambalaya because there's like so much stuff going into it. There's, your meats, your vegetables, the rice. It's super hearty and it's so delicious. You can garnish it with some parsley. You can add some more hot sauce if you want, some green onion. I just had parsley. I didn't want hot sauce because, like I said, I didn't want it too spicy. But yeah, this stuff is really good. What's funny is, I am Romanian, and this is technically like a Cajun dish. So it's like French inspired, but I could definitely taste like flavors of this Romanian dish. It's called like stuffed bell peppers. So it's very similar in flavor to that. But obviously a little bit different because it doesn't have exactly the same components. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you guys give it a try. If you do, let me know what you think about it. Have you guys ever had jambalaya? It's super good. So if you haven't, this is, your sign to go make it because it is so good. I really like how all the flavors and textures really work well together. My favorite are the sausage and of course the shrimp. Not a chicken lover, but chicken worked really well. I hope you guys give this one a try. Give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.